Mbote Njogu nĩ aremetwo nĩ kũhitha gĩkeno gĩake thikũ nini hetũku after kũhĩtũkĩrio kĩũndũ kĩa mũtigĩte na kĩa kĩingĩ, na rĩu comedian ũyũ nĩ ahithũrĩtie ndeto cia tiga mafans make na gĩkeno. Oho Mbote akĩonania ũrĩa Ngai wake amwĩkĩire ndeto iria arekereirie rĩrĩa Akenya matigĩtwo megĩgĩire na mathamĩtie tũnua thutha wa mũhunjia wĩ gatũ kuma bũrũri wa Amerika na ũrĩa wĩrĩgĩte gũtabania crusade nene mũno gũkũ Kenya, ũĩkaine ta Benny Hinn kwaria na kumbũra ndeto cia kũmakania. Na Benny Hinn in an interview ĩmwe nĩ arakorirwo akiumbũra maũndũ marĩa erirĩte gũkorwo aneka thĩinĩ wa ũtungata wake, akiuga anaheana ndũmĩrĩri cia maheni na gũtabania miracle cia maheni iria ataguũrĩirio nĩ Ngai, akiuga ti rĩmwe anagwa magerio-inĩ ma kwenda mbeca ũtungata-inĩ wake thutha wa gũtindĩkwo na pressure nene na ũtungata wa kũheagwo mbeca nyingĩ, akĩongerera na kuga ndakenaga nĩ ũrĩa etĩkĩrire pastors na anabii a maheni gũtongoria imwe cia crusade iria anatabania harĩa oritie andũ othe mamohere thutha wake kũhoya mũhera, akiuga keno ta mũndũ wa kawaida na nĩ ahĩtĩtie na kwĩranĩra gũthiĩ na mbere gũtungatĩra Ngai wega. Rĩu Akenya magĩtigwo mamakĩte mũno kuona mũhunjia ũyũ nĩ erĩgĩte gũtabania crusade nene mũno Nairobi, harĩa ahunjia na atungatĩri mekinyĩtie igongona-inĩ rĩu rĩake magĩkorwo magĩtabania crusade for a whole good week. Na mbere ya nguonete video ĩno ya Benny Hinn, rĩu Mbote nĩ aumbũrĩte ndeto njega mũno mũtambo-inĩ wake wa Facebook, akiuga nĩ arĩkĩtie gũcokerio rũrenda rwake rwa TikTok thutha wa kũhingĩrwo official account ĩno yake ĩrĩa ĩna makĩria ma likes milioni 18. Ndeto cia tiga mafans make na gĩkeno, Mbote akiuga na because there is God heaven my account is back, I'm just out of words. Fani wake Speaker Steven akimwira walidhani wamekuweza, waambie wakasikie vibaya na huko sisi ni wale waliochaguliwa na God. Now listen to what Benny Hinn said in an interview aki-apologize ni ũndũ wa itũmi ici.
You have been following Christ for decades. As you reflect back on those years, are there any regrets that you have?
Absolutely. I'm a human being. I've made mistakes. I remember Paul telling me he made mistakes by the truckloads. We all make mistakes. The two things I regret most in ministry: I was not too wise a number of times with prophecy. Number one, I had guests come to the crusades that I think brought harm to not only people's lives but also to my reputation, because their prophecies were not really prophecy. They went outside the borders of redemption, because anything that's outside redemption is not prophecy. We know, of course, that prophecy is for edification, exhortation, and comfort, but it must be within redemption. And when people come who go beyond that, we should not allow that. And sadly, I allowed it, and then I stopped. But that was years ago when I stopped. And then there were times when I thought God had showed me something that He wasn't showing me, and I spoke it out. But in 1 Corinthians 13, we see very clearly that we all prophesy in part. That means we don't see the full picture. And sadly, and I wish I can go back and fix it, but sadly, there were some prophecies I gave that were not accurate or from the Lord. But who's perfect? And for that, of course, I ask people to forgive me. I'm just human. And then the other one is prosperity. And that's been a very difficult one for me. When I started in ministry, it was simple. And then the ministry grew. I was invited to go to what they called praise-a-thons. And I think that's when my troubles began. I don't blame anyone. But sadly, you get kind of in a place that becomes difficult. You don't know what to do and how to get out of it. So I came to the conclusion in 2019 that I did not want to be a part of the gimmickry of it. And I still stand by that. But sadly, I let pressure get to me. And because of that pressure, I said things and did things I should not have done. And for that, really, I am sorry. And I ask the dear people watching us to really forgive me for that. And I'm striving with all my heart to be as biblical as possible with that. And frankly, you know, I'm kind of at the end of my road anyways. I don't see myself needing to do a whole lot of that down the road. But right now, my focus is the Lord, and only the Lord. And if, of course, there will be the time when I may have to raise funds for our ministry, I will do it as biblically as I know how, and balanced.
Can you explain that a little more?
I want that teaching to be about Jesus, and only Jesus and the gospel, because the heart of prosperity has to be the gospel, true biblical prosperity. And that is what I will do and strive to do for the rest of my life.
Ndiwe wina maoni mariko megiä ndeto ici tå tigire kä enda wa video ĩno.
That's it.